Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be making chicken sauce. Before I go ahead and introduce you to the ingredients, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. So let's get right into it. So the ingredients that you'll be using today, I'm going to do it left to right. Potatoes, lemon juice, allspice, black pepper, red pepper flakes, salt, bay leaves, carrots, onions, bell peppers, and then chicken. So before you start cooking, what I've already done is prepped my potatoes, onions, chicken, and bell peppers. I've had my chicken marinated for about 1 day now. And for the marination of the chicken, you just want to use salt, pepper, onion powder, and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. I did go ahead and cut up my carrots, which you'll be using. If you're buying the small ones, you're going to use 6 of them. Cut up 6 carrots. You're going to cut up 1 whole onion and half a bell pepper. And then for your potatoes, you are going to peel and cut up 6 large ones. So let's move over to the stove. So first things first, you're going to put the stove on medium-high heat. Over here for me it's 7.5, and then you're going to put in some vegetable oil to get it heated. So I'm just going to put in 1 capful. Let that heat up, and once it is heated up, you're going to throw in your bell peppers and onions. Okay, so now that your oil has heated, I'm going to take my bell peppers and onions and have those cook down until they're nice and tender and brown. Okay, so now that my onions and bell peppers have gotten tender and they are brown, we're going to now add all the other ingredients. So the first thing you want to start out with is 3 cups of water. And then you're going to do 3 cups of your lemon juice. Next, put your chicken in there. Your carrots, potatoes, give it a stir. Then we're going to move on to the spices. So add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and we're just gonna let this cook down for 40 minutes on medium heat. In the comment section down below, let me know if y'all actually know what chicken sauce is. If this is your first time hearing it. If you're from Miami, you should know what chicken sauce is. If you're from the South, you should know. But if you don't, let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with y'all in 40 minutes. Okay, so roomies, this is the completed meal. This is about 45 to an hour later. The chicken is tender. The potatoes are soft. Everything is soft. Everything is well seasoned. So this concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in my next one. Bye. I switch between Cantu custard. This is the shea butter